Yeah.
Good morning, friends. So it's 6:48 right now. Here's my mom.
Hi.
We are going to the city today. We're gonna go shopping. And yes, I'm home from California. I got home like a few days ago. I'll update you guys maybe a little later in this video, but we have to head out right now because it's like an hour-and-a-half drive. Hey friends. Oh, I feel super weird vlogging right now because no one vlogs in my small town, literally. But I'm just gonna film it. It's fine, no shame. So anyways, I wanted to update you guys on what's happening this morning. So basically, yeah, I got home a few days ago, like I said, and me and my mom are going shopping today. I'm gonna go thrift shopping, and then we also gonna see my grandma today, and I'm also meeting up with a friend for coffee, shopping for like some jean jackets and some jeans, because I'm actually doing a fun project. I'm gonna start like painting them and selling them for people, and a lot of people ordered them. So I'm gonna hopefully, I'm really praying that I'll be able to find like some stuff, like good jeans and good jean jackets and shorts. So I'm gonna probably go to a few thrift shops to see if I can find stuff. I'm actually meeting my friend at a thrift shop slash a coffee shop, so I'll probably go there after I meet up with her. I'm gonna meet up with her at noon. It's still like 7 o'clock. We're gonna leave soon. We're just getting gas, and I thought I'd update you guys real quick on what's happening. And I'm talking really fast. Wow. But anyways, yeah, it's been really good to be back. It's been interesting. The business school in LA, that's where I was at. If you guys didn't know, I went with YWAM to the business school, and that was like 6 weeks long, and it was amazing. I learned so much. I'd love to do a video maybe about it or something, or a Q&A maybe at the end of the summer, because I'm still figuring out what I'm going to do afterwards now that it's summer. I'm thinking, there's a few options I'm thinking about, so we'll see what happens. So we just went to Target, and it's now 9 o'clock. And we spent like 30 minutes there. My mom was very kind, and she bought me some shampoo and conditioner. So I haven't tried this one yet, but I hope it's good. It's called Raw Sugar. It's just like avocado, apple cider vinegar, and rosemary oil. So it looks good and natural, and that's what I'm trying to go for. Oh, there's a Wells Fargo person, and we're at the bank right here. Okay, so I'm gonna resume my haul. That was a little crazy. So I got that shampoo, and then this is the conditioner, I think. It's just the same one. It's just called Raw Sugar.
Ooh, I like the lids.
I know, that's why I got it too. It's like natural, more natural, that's why I decided to get it. And then I got these socks. Aren't they so cute? I saw them and I was like, Mom, please. She got them for me. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
I'll probably wear them with my Birkenstocks. Oh my gosh, okay.
I'll tell you where to go.
I don't want the camera to fall, as it usually does. And then my mom got these for my dad. Are these for Father's Day?
Yeah.
So for Father's Day. And then she also got this one. It says King of the Grill, which is cute. My dad loves grilling and stuff. I got some hand sanitizer, and my mom got some Burt's Bees like moisturizer. So yeah, that's kind of what we just did. And then she went to the bank, we went to do some errands, and now we're heading to my grandma's. We'll probably get there like 9:25, 9:30. Grammy, say hi.
Hi. Hi. This is Sarah's grandma.
I know how to do that.
We're going to lunch right now.
3 generations here.
That's right.
What?
How do you know you?
Yeah, you
So
find
good.
me at a house.
Bread.
Yum.
Got some steel cut oats and then a peach and blueberry smoothie. What, Grammy, what did you get? What did you get to eat, Grammy?
Well, what did I get to eat?
Yeah.
Turkey. Turkey.
Turkey BLT.
Yeah.
And I got
With a little avocado.
Yeah.
and I got a toasted I don't know, it's like a dried tomato toasted turkey thing, chicken thing. It's
Bless.
delicious. Yum.
So just got out of this little coffee shop slash thrift store. I just had a little coffee date with my friend, and it was super good. There wasn't much luck at this thrift store. I found a few options, and I sent the girl pictures. I don't know if she'll want any of them, but I'm gonna go to another thrift store, I think after this, hopefully, and I'll look for more jean jackets. There weren't any jean jackets here, which is kind of disappointing, but I'm hoping that I'll find more at another thrift store. And yeah, it's been a successful day. I'm excited to go thrift shopping more. I just love thrift shopping, especially since it's like not for myself, it's for other people. So it's great, and it's super cheap. Like, oh my gosh, it's the best, guys. So I will keep you updated on how it goes. So I'm finding lots of good shorts here. I'm at Goodwill now. Found these Calvin Klein shorts, are super cute. They're like size 12. And then I also found these Calvin Klein shorts, and they're like a size 10. I just like love the pockets on these and like how they're high-waisted. And then I found some of these shorts, and I'm trying to find out if the girl likes them or not so I can paint these up. And then I also found this super cute jean jacket. I just don't know if anyone would want it or if I should paint it or not, because it's just like a different style, but we'll see. I'll let you guys know and I'll update you as I go. And also this is what I'm wearing today, if you guys were wondering.
Bless this time together. We love you in Jesus' name. Amen.
Amen.
Excuse their silliness.
Hey guys, so it's the next day. I forgot to close out the vlog last night because it was super late and we got home at like 11 o'clock. And then I just worked this morning until about 1 o'clock. And so real quick, I wanted to show you guys what I bought yesterday because basically I think I showed you guys the thrift store that I was at with my friend at first. So yeah, I went thrift shopping there, and then I had to go to so many other thrift stores, guys. I was trying to find jackets that like the people wanted, and it was just like really hard because I was sending pictures and I was like asking like, oh hey guys, do you want these? And like they were like, no, I don't really like that. And so I had to go to like 4 or 5 thrift stores, I think probably. I went to like Goodwill, I went to Runaway Fashion, I went to the thrift store that I went to at first after the coffee shop, and then I think I went to like TJ Maxx, maybe like one other store, I can't remember. Oh, my arm's getting tired. So I wanted to show you guys what I got because I got 2 jackets. Thank the Lord I did find 2, and then I also got myself something. So I'll show you that real quick and then I'll just close out this vlog too. Okay, so I'm so excited about what I found, guys. I found like, I love like thrift shopping because it's so fun to like look for different stuff. And I did find some good jean jackets. Thrift stores have great jean jackets, guys. So the first one I got is, I think it's like a large in men's, and it's just this big black, I don't know if you guys can see it very well, but it's this big black jean jacket. And oh, I have the price tag on it too, oops. But it's like super good quality. It's like fur and it's super thick and warm, and like, so what I'm going to be doing, I'll just show you guys right now. I'll be like painting on the back of these. I'll be doing 8 different designs, and like each person that ordered these jackets could do like a different design, like whatever they wanted. And so I'm super excited to start that. I have to like buy the paints online. I'll probably do that right now after I film this, and then I will start painting. And I might even like film a video about that too. It'll be kind of fun. So then the second one I got is just this simple jean jacket. I think it's like a size medium. What's the brand? It's called Buffalo David Bitten. I don't know what that means, but that's a brand. It's like kind of like, it's not like thick, but it's kind of, it looks warm and like really comfortable. It's more like a flimsy material, and like this is the back of it, so I'll be painting right here. And it's a good color. The girl that ordered it, she really liked the color of it, so that's why she wanted this one. And then the last thing I got, so that's what I got from the thrift stores. And then I was at TJ Maxx. I was looking for jean jackets for these girls that ordered them, but then I got distracted. The huge. I'm like such a bad shopper. And so then I found this super cute, I'm like so into like that new like leopard trend. Like I'm so into it. I'm there for it. Like I have leopard shoes, and like I have a leopard jacket, and now I have this leopard like camisole thing. I just think it's super cute. Like it even has like a lace on top, and like that's kind of a trend I think too. But I'm just like super excited to wear this in the summer because it's very like airy. It's very like loose, and it's gonna be like really nice to wear in the summer if I get hot or something. So I am very excited and very thankful. Thank you, Mom, because she purchased this for me. Because I was like, I don't have any money, and then she was like, I'll get it for you. So thank you, Mom, if you're watching this. But yeah, that's all I got. And yesterday was really good. It was great to see my grandma. I'm so thankful that she's moved closer to us now because she still lived in Washington. But now she moved to Idaho, where we went yesterday. So I'm very thankful for her. And yeah, it was such a good day just to hang out with her and my mom and to go shopping. And I'm super excited to start painting these jackets and just to get more creative with them. And I'm really excited for this summer. Comment down below as you're doing this summer what your plans are, if you're doing anything fun, if you're going anywhere. I'd love to know. And hopefully this summer I'll have a few more videos up. I don't really know what I'm going to film yet. I'm still trying to figure it out. I'll probably do random videos, honestly. Maybe some vlogs here and there. Maybe like painting these jackets or something. Maybe like a morning routine or something, or like a workout routine. We'll see. And maybe even like recipes too, because I want to get more into cooking this summer too. So it'll be kind of random, but I hope that you guys are here for it and that you'll just stick around because I'd love to become your friend and I'd love to just get to know you and to inspire you and that we inspire each other as well. That's why I'm making this video, is to inspire you guys and to be inspired by you. So I hope you guys have a great week and I'll probably talk to you, who knows when, maybe a few weeks. Bye friends.